How to hide on WhatsApp notification preview on iPhone. So here is how to do so that your messages don't show up on your lock screen. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings app, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available in there. Inside app, scroll down and tap on the WhatsApp. Inside WhatsApp, all you have to do is simply tap on the notification option available there and toggle on the notifications. Since my notification is toggled off, so first of all, toggle this on, then simply scroll down and you'll get to see show previews option available. Tap on it. Now simply select when unlocked or never. When unlocked, only shows previews when your iPhone is unlocked, never hides messages, content completely on the lock screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.